Hey everybody, good afternoon. This is Neil, Simpler Futures, and it is Thursday, the 3rd. Tomorrow is non-farm payroll. We just heard from Apple and Amazon. Apple a little light, and Amazon just absolutely blew it out of the water. So Apple's off a few bucks, and Amazon's up a ton. And as a result, really we're not seeing much. Really, they're offsetting, so we're not seeing much of a real move in the index space with big up or down or anything like that. And let's see, on the ES with non-farm payroll tomorrow, let's look first of all. Let me look at expected move here real quick. 43 points. My goodness, wow. Okay, plus or minus 40 points. Well, we're about to the lower edge of anything that I kind of realistically was actually looking for. If it breaks, I'd be looking for 44.94. And there's a gap at 44.78, but really 44.94 on the ES on the downside, but then snap back and start trading up back into, look at it this way. The ES opened the month a couple of days ago at 46.18. It's just traded down to 45.08. Okay, 100 points in a couple of days. It's due a bounce, in my opinion, right? So what does a bounce look like? Well, balance is back up at 45.84, and the weekly pivot's up at like 4,600. So with a 50 point, almost a 50 point expected move, I'd be putting this thing back up at near the 45.80-ish, 84 area would be what I'm looking to try to do tomorrow. So on a break from any little bit lower, I'd be looking at trying to find a little bouncy behavior, 44.94, and start trading it up and looking for trade up into the 45.80s, like 80, 84. Balance is at 84. So, and that's what I've got, that magenta line right there. That's the MCVPOC. All this trade right there, all of that sideways trade balances at 84. So that's what I'm looking at. With any luck, some of that will help, and we'll see how it goes tomorrow. But wish you good trading, good weekend after that, and we'll see how it works out. Be with you again next week. Take care.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me